To apply for an online certificate of origin for ICC, type coo.indianchamber.org into your browser. After the page loads, you will be able to see the login, forgot password, register exporter, and register CHA onto your screen. If you need to change the password of your registered account ID, make use of forgot password. Click on Register Exporter to sign up for the online Certificate of Origin services with ICC. Upon clicking, you will be able to see a sign up form popping up where you're supposed to enter your organization details, which are marked as mandatory and optional. After filling up the form, you will get an email notification about registration, and that will be verified by ICC later. You will be notified once your account is activated and good to use for online certificate of origin. Proceed with the login credentials after your account gets activated. Once you log in, you will be able to see the user interface. You can see where you can apply for a new certificate of origin in the dashboard. But before that, you need to check your profile, the details which got entered by you at the time of filling up the registration form. Click on right corner icon that you see on your company name and go to profile. You will get to see whether you are a member or a non-member. If everything looks good to you, you can go ahead and apply for new certificate of origin request, which is a simple 4-step process. Get started by clicking on See Your Request. After clicking on See Your Request, you can see certain fields getting auto-fetched of your company which are editable. Fill up the consignee details and other entries which are marked as mandatory and non-mandatory for the certificate of origin form. Once you fill up the form, make sure you review the form and click Next by accepting the terms and conditions. After clicking on Next, you will be able to see your second step where you will be asked to upload the supporting documents mandatory for the shipment. You can also add more documents if needed. You can apply for particular document attestation if required. Click on Next after you upload the documents. Now you will be redirected to step 3 where you will be getting an OTP to the email ID entered by you. Enter the same OTP that you have received over email. Also make sure you're not entering any space while copying. Once your OTP gets validated, you will now be able to see step 4 about your payment. Click on Pay Now and you will be redirected to the payment gateway to make the payment. Select your preferred payment mode and complete the payment. Or you can also pay from wallet if you have sufficient credit balance in your wallet. After the payment gets done, you will be debited from your bank account or wallet and will also be able to see the status of given CO reference number as pending in yellow color. Kindly refresh in case you're not able to see the change. Also check the payment transaction going into the payments below the dashboard. Or you can also see the payment deduction in your wallet. You will be notified over the email about the CO request successfully sent. Once issued, check your certificate of origin in issued CO with a particular CO reference number and click on blue color button and download the list of documents which are attested or verified signed as requested by you. You can also view or download the list of GST invoices that you have applied for by going into invoices below the payments. You can also invite your CHA by asking him to get registered on the portal and search for his name by going into the CHA menu. Once you find your CHA, you can click on View and Invite button. You can have more than one CHA serving you, which gets added to the active CHA list. You always have an option to stop the filing on your behalf by simply going on to Stop Service button onto your CHA. For more questions, please refer to FAQs.